And I also have to get their lunch ready. And I'm tired. I'm so tired. There's motion at your front. No, there's motion at your backyard. What the heck is in my backyard? I'm not even gonna look. I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's just my husband putting on the sprinklers. He's just, oh, one of these days I'm gonna do a sit down video. I don't even know if I want to talk about it. I want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. So let's just do a morning routine. Let's go. The season's coming. Okay, guys. So this is a morning routine. Oh gosh, I'm so horrible at this. I don't know why. But this is just a general overview of what we do in the mornings. I won't be showing the children in the bathroom, brushing their teeth, taking a shower, because I just feel like that's a total invasion of their privacy, and I won't be doing that. So enjoy the video. My life, just like another season. Not for long, just a time. You didn't put PJs on. Wake up. Season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish. Where's my door? Maddie. Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready for school?
5:45. It's not yet.
Alright, who's first for the bathroom?
Me.
Alright, come on. Good morning, Maddie. Maddie, good morning. Okay, this is the point where I go downstairs and start getting their lunches and their breakfast going. I usually start by doing breakfast first, whether it be cereal, eggs, whatever it is that they need. And if their dad is home, sometimes he'll help me with their breakfast and lunch so that I can get out the door at a reasonable time in the morning, and so that they're not late for school, because I do have to drive them to and from school every day. Jaxson is my favorite little helper. He always seems to come in and help me in the mornings and get backpacks going and lunch, and he likes to pick out snacks and juice, and he's just very helpful, and I love him. Okay, so I'm gonna go check on the kids upstairs, because I usually don't have to monitor them that much, because they're much older and they know what to do. But sometimes they like to play a little too much. So yeah, I'm gonna go check on them. And then Maddie is up here as well. She's usually not up here, but she's up here. I don't know why. Who's still in the bathroom? Huh? Who's still in the bathroom? Me. Maddie's still taking the shower?
No, me, Jason.
Jason? Okay. Make sure you brush your teeth.
Huh?
Make sure you wash and brush your teeth before you come out, and make sure you wash your hair in the shower, okay?
Okay.
Where's Jordan?
He's in the room here.
Okay. Jordan,
Yeah,
where are you?
right here.
Alright. What are you doing?
Laundry that was from yesterday.
Okay. Jason made his bed. Are you gonna make your bed?
Yes.
Hurry, please. Are you dressed?
No, I was just putting this on because I couldn't find my red shirt.
Hmm?
I couldn't find my red shirt.
Are you dressed?
Well, yes, but I'm gonna take a shower.
Okay, we gotta get off camera for this. Sometimes I think they try to pull stuff over on me, and it's not even fair. It's not even fair. And another thing is, we gotta get that dude tested, because other than when he was diagnosed, that I don't talk about Jordan. I don't talk about Jordan because I don't really want too much of my kids on the internet. But other than him being tested at 1 year old, we haven't really done much testing, and there's a lot of stuff that he's exhibiting that kind of scares me. But at the same time, it's just like, you know, he was diagnosed with a whole bunch of developmental delays, and he also has ADHD, and he also has a learning disability, but we never got him tested beyond a year old. Like, we never, but he shows a lot of signs of not being able to function in society when it's time for him to function in society, and that scares me. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. I might have him tested for something else, because something that's not right, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna finish. Hubby's gonna help me with the lunches. It's 6:03, which I'm doing. What is he having for breakfast?
He wants me to make him that for breakfast.
What? Oh, hot dog? Okay.
That's all eggs.
Hot dog and
I was like, oh, I thought it was for lunch. He's like,
He's
no.
eating cake for breakfast. Wanna see? What are you
Good
eating?
morning, guys.
What are you eating? Cake. Literally, the boy is eating cake for breakfast, so you can tell we're not really functioning well when the 6-year-old is having cake for breakfast. Anyways, I'm gonna put this battery to charge a little bit, and then, because I need it to record my lunch videos, so, and I don't want it going dying, so yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, help started on breakfast. I don't know what this. What is this, honey? Ash brown. Why is there water in there? And I'm getting ready to do lunch. So I'm making a pasta sign right now, and I'm making 2 boxes. Cause yeah.
I make a mess with.
You make a mess?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Could you open this for me, please? Thank you. Did you read the instruction?
I'm not making it either.
Could you please read the instruction? I didn't even think. I was like, it's pasta.
Oh no.
Pour pasta. Oh, it needs to be boiling water. Oh no, gently boil uncovered 12 minutes. Is it boiling water or?
Yeah, you gotta put it. You gotta boil the water first, and then put it in.
Okay, all right, we'll come back. All the lunches are ready, and I usually put them up, line them up like this, so once they're done and do their chores, that's the reason why I laid that down. There's a container in there that needs to be like that, which prevents the thing from standing.
You told Jordan to go with Jason. I'm sorry.
So once they're done getting dressed,
Go with Jason.
now stuff. Ow. always cut myself off. Now it's time for chores. It's 7:02. So we have zones. So the kitchen is zone 1, living room zone 2, and dining room is zone 3. I usually don't do zone 3 in the morning. And of course they have to make their beds and make sure they pick up their clothes in the bathroom and stuff like that. But right now they're getting ready to do zone 2, not 1. Zone 1 I'll do by myself, or they'll come home and do zone 1. So right now the boys are taking out the dog. That's also one of their chores. They have to take out the dog. And so we're getting ready to do the living room. So this is what the living room looks like every single day.
But these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always
It's like
leave me?
the worst part of my day, my morning, is her hair.
Look at that hair.
I'm not a fan of doing little girls' hair. I wish I could cut it off
No.
and have her rock it, bald head, but
Like you.
she said no, she does not want her hair cut off. And
I wanna have your hair.
Not taking care of it has stunt her hair growth. She's gonna have really long hair, and I damaged it. But I've been meaning to get back into taking care of her hair, like do it properly. It's just time. So in the meantime, what I'm doing is making sure that her ends are clipped on a regular basis. So I do take her to get her ends clipped to get all the dead, all the split ends off of her hair from all the heat damage that I've done to her hair over the years. And eventually I'm gonna work on her getting her hair back to a good length. Anyways, so what I usually do is I don't have time right now to detangle her hair, so what I'm gonna do is just slap this baby up in a bun like I do every day.
Yeah, I'm
every day.
I got
Yeah, I slap this baby
up in a bun.
in a bun. So I try to make sure her edges are really neat and tidy and she doesn't look unkept, you know, so that I don't come off as a horrible mother in public. I am a horrible mother. So I just brush. I really do need to detangle her hair, but that ain't gonna be no time soon, guys. I'm struggling with her hair. It's not like I'm this person that knows how to braid and do really nice braids and stuff. Nope. Never been me. I'm not a fan of hair. I don't like doing hair. I don't like hair. I don't like hair, and it annoys me. My husband is annoyed by me because he's like, why don't you do her hair with this pretty little stuff? And then, my friend, we smack these little pom-pom headbands on.
Yeah.
And she's perfect. Anyway, so now I gotta go get dressed, brush my teeth, wash my face, and get out of here. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm all ready. I'm all dressed. Let's go, Maddie. We have like literally 3 minutes to get out the door. Come on.
All the lights are...
Next.
You guys almost told me where to go, guys. Try to slam it hard, Jordan. You're gonna break it.
Next.
I got it. And does it run? Mama!
Time to get in the car, Maddie. Let's go. Come on. Oh gosh. Why is my alarm going off?
They're so fast at that house.
When that alarm is going off, it means we're late. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this morning routine. It's always crazy, it's always hectic. I try my best to get as much as I could without violating my kids' personal space, but you guys get the gist. It's just normal stuff that goes on around here. Very normal, and if it wasn't for my husband this morning, I don't know, I'd probably be rushing somewhere. So I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Maybe I'll do a nighttime routine, but not today. Not today. Bye guys.
I can hear the silence as you look in my eyes. So quiet.
Did teacher saw you?
You said hi?
Daddy, let's just go to our lockers. Yeah, I don't think that's possible.
Come here.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Why'd you copy the No one helps us?
Really, Jordan?
Really, Jordan? It's leave us.